Lone Azul. I'm gonna throw in a quick base coat. Gravy train. Also, too, these plastic blades have a lot of flex. They're cheap, and I like them for sections like this. I was told to get rid of the hawk and use like an 8 or 10 inch plastic. Now, if I got a little bit of blue like that, I'll just discard that instead of putting it back in my sealer. Even on a small job like this, I want to make sure I've got my sample board. I've got my Lone Azul there. Throughout the process, they've had this sample board for quite a while. They've been wanting to do this fireplace, but super key, man. Sample board. This is Lone Teal up top and Lone Azul on the bottom, and we're doing Lone Azul just so that everybody is on the same page with color and stuff. Dang, that looks good.